It's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today. I've been wanting to share this with you. It's really simple and it's really quick. You can make your own baking powder. You run out of baking powder and you have these two ingredients, you'll be able to make your own baking powder. Here are the two ingredients you'll need. You'll need some baking soda, and this is by McCormick, and it's cream of tartar. Cream of tartar and baking soda make baking powder. Watch this. You need 2 parts of cream of tartar. Now I've already measured out one. Put it on some paper. So you measure out 2 tablespoons of this and 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and pretty much that's it. This is very lumpy. You can get it unlumped by just using a whisk, That's all you have to do. You're done in the bowl because it's easier to use the whisk, but you're going to put it back on here. Get yourself a washed out jar. This is a terrible looking lid, and with a tight fitting lid, and put a little label on it. That's what I did. And now, since it's back on the paper, you'll use this as a shovel. I used 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Now, if you want to make more, double it. But what you'll find out, it is very fast, it's very easy. Seal that lid, and you've got baking powder. That's the end of the video. So I hope you have an opportunity to use it. And the next time I do a video with baking powder, baking soda, you'll see me bring out this little container and use it. Okay? And I hope you'll do the same. So until next time, don't forget to leave me some comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to click on the bell so that every time a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. And so until next time, don't forget to smile.